Alright guys, just like that, we are right here at Good Enough Garage Car Meet. This is part 2, and this one is a lot bigger than the other one. It was originally supposed to be a Father's Day car meet, but due to the weather here in Ohio, which is always iffy, they had to postpone it, so it is today, and this one is way bigger. Ignore the hair right now, man. I was on the highway having a little bit too much fun. If I can find some clips or whatever, I'll put them in there. If not, don't worry about it. But without further ado, let's get to it. Yo, it ain't that many cars here. Psych, it's a lot of cars here, I ain't gonna lie. About to do my little walk around. Y'all already know what it is. Got this ATSV right here. Hey, I like this body kit though. This motherfucker. Ooh, this body kit on this SS is nice. Yeah, now this hard. This hard. Amazing. Financial mistake. Ooh, that diffuser though. You know, we got the Red Bull. Hey man, I ain't gonna take too much time over here. About to make it to the other area. Hey, they running. What you got in here?
What's up?
What you got in here?
6 liter block, 4-inch crank, 60 over, LS3 heads, E85, 400 turbo, strange rear end.
Woo! The list goes on and on. What is running?
I've ran 1030s just on motor. I haven't used nitro yet.
Woo. Got a shot in there. Where the bottle at?
It's in the back there. Scuba tank.
Scuba tank, boy. Yeah, this thing running. It's running. That's running. That's running for sure. Hey, that's crazy. What's up, Patrick, bro? Alright, yeah, we got the Miata squad right here. You see that wang on there. You don't call it a wing, you call it a wang. Thing big as hell. See the stance of it. Hey, rolling on the highway. Yeah, this the Miata squad right here. Hey, these the perfect donut cars. This color on here is sweet. Got the TT Audi right here. I ain't gonna waste too much time over here. Let's keep it moving. This Volkswagen got a main 2-step. See what's in it. I know I ain't gonna stay here close to the music too long, but you see 2 of the S2Ks. S2, S2, S2. Excuse me. Yeah, trying to get away from the music. Y'all know how that go. It's a real good turnout out here though. Hey, this car looks just like my car. He rode here with me. Mustang sound crazy. And everybody. Silverado. Got that work done. Something smoking. He got a turbo in here. Got a couple bikes here. It's more than a couple. I ain't gonna make this video too long, so it's gonna be a bunch of clips. Oh. Huh. Yeah, that GTR over there. Woo, that thing crazy. Hold on. That's crazy. That's crazy.
He runs like a last
Now that's crazy. That's craziness right there. Got the 5 slow right here. Not just playing. This 5.0 though, it's clean. It's a 5.0, but I keep it clean though. I'm gonna make my rounds and get back to that that GTR over there. It's another Cobra though.
If you don't mind,
Oh, this is crazy. They got a Bentley over here.
I mean, it's not that bad, but it's pretty. I mean,
Oh man, hold on. God, woof, woof. Big turbo. Golly. This yours?
Nah, it's a buddy of ours.
God damn. What size turbo is that?
It's fucking gigantic. I don't fucking know. It's bigger than my goddamn head.
Hey, this is like a 2-liter motor. Slapped on there.
Yo, hey Cody, you want some motor with your turbo?
Some motor with the turbo. Seriously, boy. I know he got to be running. This thing is crazy. You see, he got the parachute thing right there. You know it's running. He got the parachute thing on there, bro. You know it's running just by that big ass turbo. That's a drag car. You ain't supposed to be driving that. I think these are both GT350s right here. Got the Bentley right there. My bad, John, if it's a little shaky. I think this is a flying spur. Huh? It's a secret. He said, hey, you thought I was stock. I ain't stock. You can tell he ain't stock. Scat pack galore out here. Ooh, I like the way they did their worker rail. Now that's sweet. Hold on. I'm coming. Look at that. I like that. They probably slow, not this way. God dang, they got them big 5-inch tips on here. They running Borla? What are those? Hey, them fast. Them 5-inch tips right there.
Jackson! Point. You come here. You come here.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta go say hi to Jackson.
Nice collab, nice looking little collection. Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those creepers? Ignore that, yeah. Hey. Did I get in y'all picture? I wasn't trying to get in the picture, my bad. Ooh, that thing. Oh yeah. Said say what you want, but I'm running. My boy Donnie here. Got the Hellcat with the big blower. Big blower. He ain't stopped. Got the Forgiatos on here. Y'all saw the last video. Couple more SS's over there. My boy West BMW right next to that SS. Oh, look at that wide body. Wide booty. Wide booty. Dad, that's a scat
No,
pack.
but somebody, he said he might come.
I fuck with that.
Call the dude. That shit's cool.
I fuck with that. He sound like me. Hold on, what he got? He got Corsa?
I don't think he got that Corsa.
Nah, he'll sound like me. Crazy Lambo. I like the way they did this. Got dinner. Ooh, wait a second. Nah, that's crazy. See, hey, they hiding. They hiding. They gonna think they hiding.
It still handles good. Like
Eurocharge Sensi. Got the GTR over here. Hold on. We still got another one over here, AMG class. I think that's an E63, maybe. Not sure. Everybody going crazy right now. It's probably gonna be a little bit hard to hear me, but that Lambo though. That Lambo, and then they got the Huracan right here. Got the Huracan. Then you got the SV. I think this is the SV. It's a Venador or something. But yeah, look at the seats. Oh, hold on. Look at that. Match them calibers. Sir. Nah, these is crazy. Yeah, this was a crazy turnout though, man. Dog fight. Go ahead, shout yourself out, bro. You ugly, bro.
Hey, you know who it is? It's AO Whips. AYEOOOWHIPS. Yes, sir.
AO Whips.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe and all that.
All that.
It's Afro Samurai.
You Afro Samurai got it.
Dang, where the Lambo truck at? It left?
They left. Okay, like oils, yours, oils, stuff over there. There's some fun on the highway though. Huh?
Yeah. This man right here,
You got the other 390?
All American Miller,
Mine right there. That
tearing stuff up on the highway. Hey, these sound crazy.
Stop my Snapchat and
Ah, see?
Hey, no, they probably still
Give me another rev. Alright, we got the five slow. Hey, they rolling though. Woo! Hey, now this is the one. Don't block it. You block it. Oh man. Hey, now he going crazy. Ooh-wee. Go crazy. Oh man. Going crazy in the GLE, boy. Look at this, and it's a crowd stopper. That thing crazy. That Mercedes crazy. You got a hit on it. He ain't gonna do nothing. The police sitting down there. Hey. Right to Dallas?
Hey, you know if we go to Dallas, boy, hand me like they gonna show straight love.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's why I want to go out there.
Hey, this it, bro. This car sound crazy. This sound crazy. This sound crazy. Yeah, this thing nasty for sure. This thing definitely nasty. But yeah, we can't forget about the C63S. AMG. Bit turbo. And you got the M3. And we got a whole nother Porsche. They over there clowning at no Mustangs. This Porsche nasty though. I know y'all liked this last time. The carbon fibered out. Alright.
He got the tire phone like that.
Yeah, this alright nasty. Then you got the Maserati. It's nice. What's this? A Grand Sport Quattro Box. I don't know how to say it. Box body. Alright, so I think I see that food truck over there. I'm about to go get some food and then I'll turn the camera back on. This is the end of the video, so just everybody lined up right now.